Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to add page border in MS Word. So, to add page border, go in Page Layout tab, click on it, and here you can see Page Border button. Click on this and this dialog box will appear. Here there are different options available, as you can see box, and here you can see the preview of the borders, just like shadow and 3D and custom. Similarly, here are different options of style, color and width. From style you can select different types of lines or zigzag. Say I am selecting this one, and from color option you can select any color of your liking. Say I am selecting this one, and width you can increase or decrease width from here, and you can also add artistic border from here. Say you select this one, so I am selecting this border and then click on OK. Now you can see the border is added. So if you want to add some artistic or artwork in your border, you can select from here. Select from here and click on OK. You can see the border is added. So this is how you can add page border in MS Word. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.